Okay. Hello, 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 hello. Okay. So in this video, I wanna practice French speaking out loud. And so at first, I'm gonna read out loud in English. And after that, I'm gonna speak French later on. Okay. So, uh, first, I wanna try with the English version. Hello everyone, I'm Duy, and I'm a Vietnamese. I am a Vietnamese student, and I'm a Vietnamese student currently studying in a program, a 2 year program. Currently study in a 2 year program, Business Insight Analysis, in Toronto. So basically, I'm a Vietnamese student, and I'm currently studying in Toronto with a 2 year program, uh, in Business Insight Analysis. So now I'm gonna try a French version. Let on Eva, let's get it. But first, we should. I need to listening the French version first. So after that, I will try to imitate, follow French version later on. So let's hear it.
Bonjour à tous. Je m'appelle Duy, je suis un étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
Okay, it's still too fast for me, so I need to listening again.
Bonjour à tous.
Bonjour à tous.
Je m'appelle Duy, je suis un étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
Okay, let's check it out. On y va. Let's try. Give it a try. Bonjour à tous. Bonjour à tous mean hello everyone. Bonjour à tous. Je m'appelle Duy, I'm Duy. Je m'appelle Duy, je suis un étudiant vietnamien. Actuellement, khi dans du programme de 12 ans et Business Insight Analysis à Toronto. Okay, listening it again.
Bonjour à
Bonjour à
tous.
tous.
Je m'appelle Duy, je suis un étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
I think I need to slow down a little bit. It's too fast to me. Okay, we slow down to
Bonjour à
0.75.
tous. Je m'appelle Duy, je suis un étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
Bonjour à tous, je m'appelle Duy, je suis étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans au programme de 12 ans and Business Insight Analyst at Toronto. Oh man, I get juggle. I juggling in the last sentence from here. Au programme de blah 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 blah. Let's get it. Let's do it again.
Bonjour à tous. Je m'appelle Duy, je suis un étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
De 12 ans et Business Insight Analyst.
Bonjour à tous. Je m'appelle Duy, je suis un étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
Business Insight Analysis at Toronto. Okay. I think we should separate to it. I think we should separate the whole sentence into two smaller one to make it easier. Okay, let's try with the first half of the sentence. Bonjour à tous. Je m'appelle Duy. Je suis étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans un programme de 10 ans ou 12 ans de programme dance.
Bonjour à tous. Je m'appelle Duy, je suis un étudiant vietnamien actuellement inscrit dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
Dans un programme des ans, dans un. I have to repeat. I have to listening again. Just only this one.
dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto. Dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto. Dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
Oh man, I feel it better. Đông doa khô khem đu doa đông doa khô khem đu doa đông xoa khô khem de đu doa and
Dans un programme de 2 ans en Business Insight Analysis à Toronto.
Okay, đông doa khô khem de đu doa and Business Insight Analysis at Toronto. Yeah, I think it's good now. I'm gonna stop the video here and I'm gonna publish on my YouTube channel. So today is the 31, yeah, the 31 in May 2025 I'm gonna upload the first French practice speaking on my YouTube channel. So maybe 1 year and a half later on I will look back and we will see how improve I am, how far I gone at that time. You know, English, or because right now I currently learning two language at the same time. We can say still no at once, simultaneously. I forgot this word, but at the same time. Yeah, I know that's difficult, that's hard, that's struggle, but I believe with all of my effort, all of my energy, all of my thing I have, and I can do that. I talk with myself every day when I wake up before I sleep. That it's hard, but it's not impossible. You have to know that the way you think you can do that is really important. That's the most important thing. Because if you think you cannot do that, you never do that. You cannot do that. You're not able to do that. But if you think you can achieve it, yeah, you can step closer. So more people say. But yeah, so it's okay because maybe if you can do that or you cannot do that, it's okay. The way because you're learning, that's important. When you learn your brain processing, your brain active, your brain like functioning, that's the good thing. No matter what you learn something else, learn the good thing, try a new thing, do everything you can, you're gonna go up. Your brain will function. It keep your brain being busy. That's the good thing. You busy, you thinking, you're gonna improve. Okay, so bye everyone. The first video I gonna upload in French, and 1 year later or 1 year and a half later, I look back and I feel, oh man, this is the first video I speak in French. Oh, look at 1 year later on, 1 year and a half later on, it's both surprise. It will be surprise to me how far I grown, how, yeah. So I have to stop video here.